Next problem for your stacks and chimneys. Let us read this problem. Okay? A steam generating unit has an overall draft loss of 300 millimeter water. So this is water gauge. Air enters at atmospheric pressure and 27 degrees Celsius. The average flue gas is found to be 200 degrees Celsius. What is the necessary height of the stack in meters if no draft fans are to be installed? So wala kang draft pressure. Okay, natural lang. So, ano ang first part na gagawin natin dito? The first part that best to do is to write off yung kanyang formula. So, HS is equal to density ng water, height ng water column, okay, divide by density ng air minus density ng gas. Okay, remember that yung specific weight is equal to density times gravity. So, maka-cancel out mo yung gravity dyan. Therefore, HS now is density ng water, head of water, divide by density ng air minus density ng gas. Sir, pwede bang idiretso ko na lang dito? Para hindi ako mahirapan. So, as is mo yung taas, okay lang ba? As is natin siya. This will become density of water, height column ng water, divide by, remember, ano ba yung density? Density is, parata yan eh. Okay? Pressure divide by RT. Okay? So, ibig mo sabihin, sir, dito, remember yung pressure ni air is equal to pressure ni gas. Okay? Hindi naman dito sinabing density is equal, ha? So, yun lang yung may lalabas ko. Tapos, yung temperature ni gas is kaiba. Okay? Dito, lagay ko na. So, density, pressure ni air over R ni air, temperature ni air, minus pressure ni gas over R ni gas, temperature ni gas. Okay? So, flue gas is found to be 200. Problema mo dito, wala kang binigay din na R ni gas. Okay? The first thing you'll do is to assume that yung R ni gas is same ni air. If all else fail, tandaan nyo that ang ginagamit parati na molecular weight ni gas is from 28 to 30. So, commonly 29. Pag hindi nyo makuha sa board exam, tignan nyo lang yung choices for MW ni gas. Pero, hindi naman binigay, we assume this one. So, pwede nating ilabas dyan. Okay? So, density ng water, head of water, ilabas natin si pressure ni air over R ni air. Anong natitira? 1 over TA minus 1 over TG. Okay, simplify. Head of the stack or the height of the stack is density of water. Okay? So, density of water. Okay. Density of water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Tapos, yung head ng water, naka-millimeter, gawin mong meters. So, 300 divide by 1,000 para maging meters. Tapos, ilabas mo si PA. PA is atmospheric 101.325 kilonewton every meter squared. Divide by R, 0.28708 kilojoule per kilograms degree Kelvin times 1 over isang 200, isang 27. So, 27 plus 273 minus 1 over 200 plus 273. Okay, nakalagay dito per degree Kelvin na to. So, cancel same units. Okay, Kelvin, kilogram, kilogram, meter cube, kilojoule, kilonewton, meter squared. Ang lalabas is meters na lang. So, what will become of it is equal to, calculate the value. Labas ko muna yung calculator. So, kunin natin yung value. 1,000. Cancel na nga to. Kahit 300 na lang cancel mo lang itong 1,000. 1,000 naman to 300 divide by PA, 101.325.28708 times 1 divide by 273, 300 ata itong baba, minus 1 divide by 473. Mental math na lang. So that will become, ang taas 697. 697.18. Taas. Ang taas ng building, almost 1 kilometer. Abot ng Burj Khalifa. Okay? So that is problem number 1.